Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to do a 4-pound roast beef in the Emeril Airfryer on rotisserie mode. We'll use a default mode. Rotisserie mode is 375 degrees. We'll stick it in there. I'm going to season this up, just salt and pepper, and we'll see how this does. I have trimmed all the fat off this meat. This roast beef had a big layer of fat on the bottom. I pretty much got rid of that. Grapeseed oil, salt and pepper. We got this baby on the spit. Is it balanced real good? No. So I'm sure that Emeril Airfryer rotisserie's been going rant, rant. But you know what? We'll give it a shot. In she goes. Temperature default rotisserie 375. I'm going to set this for 2 hours because I don't know how long this is going to take, and I will check it with a thermometer. Okay, we're 40 minutes into this. Let's see what we got. We're at 105 in the center. I'm gonna take it to like 120. Look how little juice is in the bottom of this thing, man. This is nice. I am impressed with how well this works. Another temperature check at 50 minutes. 126, I'm gonna say that's done. There's a 4-pound roast beef rotisserized in the Emeril Airfryer for 50 minutes. I think that went to 126 degrees center temperature. Next time I would take it off a little sooner, just so I didn't have this gray meat right here. But then again, it wasn't quite centered on the spit, so this little piece of meat was riding real low on the rotisserie. But man, I'm sure this is gonna be delicious. We gotta plate ourselves up some of this and give it a taste test. Man, if I'd known this roast beef was gonna turn out this good, I'd have made myself some homemade horseradish sauce. I got the boar's head right here. Holy shit, that's good. I cannot believe how easy this was. Next time I will cook it to where it's extremely rare in the middle. And then as you get out toward the ends, it's more done. Because this is so tasty, and the crust on that roast beef. Oh man, it's so good. 2 thumbs up to the Emeril Airfryer. Well, even though that Emeril Airfryer rotisserie is clunky as hell, you can tell it's made in China. It did a great job. So 2 thumbs up to the rotisserie for the Emeril Airfryer. Cheers with an icy cold Jack Rudy gin and tonic. Thanks for watching. See ya.